Here we will learn how we can change the sentences from affirmative to negative. Rule first. Here I talk about only and alone. You know there are three parts regarding this. First, if any affirmative sentence has the words only or alone and they indicate Allah, God or any person, we have to use their non-but before the word. Now, for example, only Allah can help us. Here this is an affirmative sentence with only and it indicates Allah. So we will use their non-but before Allah. So the answer will be none but Allah can help us. Now see the another example. My brother alone can do this. Here alone indicates my brother. So we will start the negative sentence with none but. None but my brother can do this. Now go to the second part. If only or alone is used to indicate anything or substance, we will have to use there nothing but instead of only or alone. Such as only a glass was on the table. This is another affirmative sentence including only and it refers a glass. So we will use there nothing but before a glass. So the answer will be nothing but a glass was on the table. Then follow the another example. Money alone can save him. Here alone indicates money. So we will start the negative sentence with nothing but. Nothing but money can save him. Now we'll go to the third part. Here, if only and alone are indicate any numeral word or age, we will use there not more than or not less than. Such as only 3 people were present there. Here I can use either not more than or not less than. So the negative sentence will be not more than or not less than 3 people were present there. My students, follow the another example. Tahia is only 12. Here I can also use not more than. Here I can also use not more than as. Here only indicates the age of Tahia. So the negative sentence will be Tahia is not more than 12. My students, remember that only and alone are always omitted in a negative sentence. Now let's go for the rule 2. Rule 2. If any affirmative sentence is start with a, all, अथवा or every. If any affirmative sentence is start a, all or every and then there is a noun, we will use their first there is no, then noun, then but, then other words. So follow the example. Every mother loves her child. According to my rules, first we will have to write there is no. There is no. Then noun mother. Then but. Then other words. Other words means the rest of the words of the sentence. Loves her child. Rule 3. If any affirmative sentence has the word can, must, have to or has to, we will have to use their cannot but or cannot help to convert it negative. So follow the example. Here remember students, if we use cannot but, next verb will be present. And if we use cannot help, ing will be added with the next verb. Follow the example. I can do this. According to my instruction, the answer will be I cannot but do this. Here I use cannot but instead of can. Now let's, this is all for today. Now I will give you some homework. Make them negative. A brave man alone can go there. Number 2, I need a pen only. Number 3, everybody hates a liar. Number 4, he sometimes boys can play now. Dear students, here the 4 affirmative sentence. You will have to turn them into negative at home by using my rules. Dear students, I hope I will appear before you very soon with the rest of part of today's lesson. Pray for me, stay home, stay safe, maintain the rules of health. Thank you.